Bitbucket. Welcome to this presentation on Bitbucket, a powerful version control platform developed by Atlassian. Bitbucket is a web-based service that allows developers to host and manage their Git repositories, collaborate on projects, and track changes to their codebase. In this presentation, we'll explore the key features and benefits of Bitbucket and how it can help teams and individuals effectively manage their software development projects. We'll start with a brief overview of Bitbucket and its importance in the world of software development. At the core of Bitbucket is the Git version control system. Git is a distributed version control system that allows developers to track changes to their codebase over time, collaborate with team members, and maintain a complete history of their project's evolution. Version control is an essential tool for software development, as it enables teams to manage the complexity of their projects, coordinate their efforts, and ensure the integrity of their codebase. Bitbucket provides a user-friendly interface and a suite of tools that make it easier for developers to work with Git repositories and effectively manage their software projects. Bitbucket offers a range of features that make it a powerful platform for managing your software development projects. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features. Git repository management. At the core of Bitbucket is the ability to create, manage, and collaborate on Git repositories. Developers can easily set up and maintain their project repositories, track changes, and work together on the codebase. Pull requests. Bitbucket's pull request feature is a crucial tool for code review and collaboration. Developers can submit their code changes for review, and team members can review, comment, and merge the changes, ensuring code quality and maintaining a clean codebase. Issue tracking. Bitbucket's built-in issue tracking system helps teams manage and track bugs, tasks, and feature requests, making it easier to stay organized and on top of project priorities. Integrations. Bitbucket seamlessly integrates with a wide range of tools and services, such as Jira, Trello, and various CI/CD platforms. This allows teams to streamline their development workflow and leverage the tools they're already using. Bitbucket is not just a platform for managing your Git repositories. It also provides powerful collaboration and team management features. Let's explore some of these capabilities. Permissions and access control. Bitbucket allows you to manage user permissions and access levels, ensuring that the right people have the appropriate level of access to your repositories. This helps maintain the security and integrity of your codebase. Branches and merging. Bitbucket's branch management and merging capabilities make it easy for teams to collaborate on code changes. Developers can create and work on separate branches, and then submit their changes for review and merging, helping to maintain a clean and organized codebase. Notifications and activity feeds. Bitbucket provides real-time notifications and activity feeds, keeping team members informed about changes, pull requests, and other important events. This helps teams stay up to date and coordinate their efforts effectively. Bitbucket offers a range of pricing plans to suit the needs of different users and organizations. Let's take a look at the available options. Free plan. Bitbucket's free plan is a great option for individuals or small teams. It includes unlimited private repositories, 5 users, and 2 GB of storage, making it a cost-effective solution for those just starting out or with limited needs. Paid plans. Bitbucket also offers several paid plans that provide more features and higher limits. These plans include increased storage, more users, and advanced collaboration tools, making them suitable for growing teams and larger projects. Enterprise plan. For larger organizations, Bitbucket offers an enterprise-level plan that includes additional security, compliance, and administrative features. This plan is designed to meet the needs of enterprise-scale teams and organizations. Regardless of the plan you choose, Bitbucket provides a flexible and scalable solution to meet your version control and collaboration requirements. Using Bitbucket offers several key benefits for software development teams and individuals. Let's explore these benefits in more detail. Centralized version control. Bitbucket provides a centralized platform for managing your Git repositories, making it easier to collaborate and maintain a consistent codebase. This helps teams stay organized and ensures that everyone is working with the latest version of the code. Improved productivity. Bitbucket's features, such as pull requests, issue tracking, and integrations with other tools, help streamline your development workflow and improve team productivity. By automating certain tasks and providing a centralized hub for your project management, Bitbucket can help your team work more efficiently. Enhance collaboration. Bitbucket's collaboration tools, like branch management and real-time notifications, foster better teamwork and code quality. Developers can easily review and merge code changes while staying informed about the latest updates and activities. Cost-effective solution. Bitbucket's free plan and flexible pricing options make it a cost-effective choice for individuals and teams of all sizes. Whether you're just starting out or have a large-scale enterprise project, Bitbucket can provide a scalable and affordable version control solution. In summary, Bitbucket is a powerful version control platform developed by Atlassian that provides a centralized and collaborative environment for managing your software development projects. Some of the key features of Bitbucket include Git repository management, pull requests for code review, issue tracking, and integrations with a wide range of tools and services. Bitbucket also offers collaboration and team management features, such as permissions, branch management, and real-time notifications to help teams work more effectively. Bitbucket's pricing plans include a free option, as well as paid plans for growing teams and enterprises, making it a cost-effective solution for users of all sizes. By using Bitbucket, you can benefit from centralized version control, improved productivity, enhanced collaboration, and a scalable platform that meets the needs of your software development projects.